Hello friends, welcome to this week's video. In today's video we're going to be doing laundry motivation. I just had a ton of laundry and so I just thought I'd share it with you. I know that I can always use laundry motivation, so I'm hoping that today gives you a little bit of laundry motivation, or even motivation to do anything, you know, clean that spot, but a little bit of, you know, clutter you needed to clean, motivation to clean your bathroom, motivation to do the dishes. Sometimes we just need motivation of any sort of cleaning to get other cleaning done. I know that's definitely how I feel sometimes. But yeah, I do hope it gives you some sort of motivation, and I really do hope you enjoy watching. But before we do get started into the video, definitely go down and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and then definitely go over and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy, and let's just get on into this laundry video.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new. Less ignoring, still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. 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 Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I can't